Since the days of ancient Rome, the problem of rising damp from the soil has been recognized, and evidence passed down to us shows that the solution adopted by those earliest generations of architects and builders was to raise the floor of the building by a dozen centimeters or so by supporting it on a series of amphoras or on low walls. The cavity thus created was also connected to the outside by carefully positioned ventilation openings, which guaranteed the flow of drying air and prevented the build-up of dampness. The system developed by the Romans has influenced builders and architects throughout the ages, both for new buildings and for rebuilding work on older ones. By making reference to this tried and tested reasoning and technique, in 1993, Daliform relaunched the concept of the underfloor cavity by creating the modular Iglu units. Underfloor ventilation is important in helping the building to breathe, so as to encourage the expulsion of dampness and radon gas, preventing the spread of the one and the concentration of the other. And what is more, by paying careful attention to modern trends and developments in the construction industry, Daliform has developed a whole series of building materials, able to meet all modern requirements with the maximum ease of use. The healthy nature of any living space demands solutions at the forefront of technology. Solutions which mean the flooring is completely impervious and well ventilated, hence free from the fear of infiltration. The modules come in different heights, are versatile, and offer high flexibility of use, ensuring that they satisfy a whole range of requirements. Iglu units are light and easy to handle. They are made of a strong, recycled plastic material, polypropylene, and have rounded platforms of 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters. Iglu enables flooring to be laid with a considerable time saving compared to traditional methods. Each Iglu unit rests on 4 supports, which link together to form pillars when the concrete for the slab penetrates down through the cross-shaped spaces to fix the whole structure to its base. The space created under the Iglu modules, apart from allowing the passage of all types of tubing and wiring, ensures continuous air circulation, thanks to the bidirectional nature of the structure. The Atlantis system maintains the classic structure of the Iglu, but the pillars may be created to measure, meaning that varying heights can be achieved depending on, and to suit, all circumstances. Galliform is able to supply the whole Atlantis system at a height requested by the client. This system also includes the polystyrene side panels. Once the Iglu modules have been laid in position, all that is needed is to lay the welded metal net and begin laying the concrete slab, so as to obtain a sort of raised floor capable of preventing the buildup of humidity and expelling the emissions of polluting radioactive gas emitted by the soil, such as radon. The Iglu system has been developed as a result of experience, careful research and experimentation, which together have led to the creation of a reliable, tried and tested product. Iglu has already been widely recognized as an innovative and highly versatile addition to the construction industry, perfectly able to satisfy many of the needs of the modern builder.